Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having issues updating your Windows 10 computer, specifically the error code 0x80240016. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing here would be to open up the start menu, type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and left click on that to open it up. On the right panel, select additional troubleshooters, and then underneath get up and running, select Windows Update, resolve problems to prevent you from updating Windows, and select run the troubleshooter. And once that's done, if it does give you any suggestions, I'd recommend following along with them. And I would suggest doing anything it recommends. Restart your computer and then attempt to check for updates again, and then hopefully your problem should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.